Welcome to our YouTube video on how to create a persuasive portfolio for a web designer. In this video, we'll explore the key elements and techniques that will help you attract clients and showcase your valuable contributions. So let's dive in. When it comes to building a portfolio, it's essential to go beyond stunning visuals and focus on attracting the client's attention with persuasive techniques. Let's discover how you can achieve that. Your client's primary goal is to launch their project as soon as possible and generate profits. To secure their interest, your portfolio must demonstrate visible benefits for the client, not just beautiful images. To effectively showcase a project, you need to maintain a clear and simple structure. Here are the 5 questions you should answer. First, what was the main goal of the project? Second, what challenges did you face along the way? Third, how did you overcome those challenges? Fourth, what specific approaches or techniques did you use? And finally, what outcomes did the client ultimately achieve? Now, let's discuss the importance of focusing on benefits rather than just visuals. Highlighting the positive impact your designs had on the client's business can be a game changer. Improved user experience, increased engagement, and enhanced brand perception are just a few examples of the benefits you can emphasize in your portfolio. Including testimonials and case studies is a powerful way to build trust and credibility with potential clients. Feature testimonials from satisfied clients and incorporate detailed case studies that demonstrate your design process, problem-solving abilities, and the visible results you have achieved. After finalizing the content for your portfolio, it's crucial to choose a template that will showcase your work in the best possible way. Let's explore the key parts that a portfolio template should include. The first part is the home or introduction section. This is where you attract your visitors with a compelling homepage that introduces you, your expertise, and sets the tone for your portfolio. Next, we have the portfolio projects section. This dedicated area allows you to showcase your work effectively, providing detailed information about each project along with visually appealing images. The About Me page is an essential part of your portfolio template. This page highlights your background, skills, experience, and any relevant information that helps visitors understand your story and expertise. If you provide specific services, it's important to include a services offered section. This part outlines the services you deliver, along with details and pricing information, if applicable. A contact information page or section is vital for potential clients to get in touch with you. Make sure it's clear and easily accessible, including your email address, phone number, social media links, and any other preferred methods of contact. Lastly, it's essential to have a testimonials or client feedback section. This provides an opportunity to showcase positive testimonials or feedback from satisfied clients or employers, helping to build credibility and trust in your work. By selecting a portfolio template that includes these key parts, you'll be able to construct a perfect website that effectively displays your works and impresses potential clients. Also, keep in mind that your portfolio needs to be presented in a way that allows the viewers to scan through it effortlessly with no excessive information or too many projects. And remember, it's not just about visual appeal. Focus on persuasive techniques, benefits, testimonials, and case studies, and keep it concise. So, there you have it. Follow these guidelines, and you'll be able to create a persuasive portfolio that effectively showcases your skills and attracts potential clients. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Bye.